Hey Stillman, it's Tony. Here to give you a quick look at the 2023 E350 that we've discussed in selenite gray. So we'll take you around right now. This is real leather in this car, and it's a light interior, which you don't normally see with the selenite gray, but it really looks nice. So here, we'll get a quick look. Very attractive interior. Get you a look at the sticker. And this car does have, amongst other things, the driver assistance package, which I know you're familiar with. Heated and ventilated seats, pano roof. Not missing much here at all. So, all right, get you a look at the back. Nice big back seat. And notice too, you have the black carpet area to hide any dirt. Alright. And yeah, I definitely think this is the one for you, Stillman. So we'll wrap this up. I'll get this up to you as soon as possible, okay? Alrighty, thank you.